Hey, wine fanatics, it's Stephen here from the Napa Valley Wine Academy content team with an update on what is new in membership this week. I can't really start without sort of mentioning our maps again. They are beautiful. We released these about a week ago, and we've had an amazing response of people being really excited by these, full-on topographical maps. As you can see here with France, you really get a feel for the actual terrain. I mean, check out Alsace over here. You can see the Vosges Mountains and that famous rain shadow. You can also see they don't go right up on top of the Vosges Mountains. That would be too high. It's really up along those foothills there and right on the bottom of the flat there. Of course, you can just see over here, you've got where Baden would be in Germany. It's just, they're beautiful. So yeah, check out our maps. There's 18 topographical maps like this featuring the majority of wine, big wine producing countries. Most of them are designed for the WSET student. Anyway, on to this week. The first thing I want to show you is actually something that's not going to be at the top. You're going to have to scroll down to articles. Now, I'm actually writing these, so I'm a little bit proud of myself. The first one, actually, let's give you a premise. It's going to all be about cocktails and mixology. What it's designed for is the mixologist starting out in a home setting. Rather than bombarding you with all these different ingredients and techniques and things, we've tried to keep it really simple. One new alcoholic ingredient per week, one new cocktail. And we're going to do that for 52 weeks. Along the way, you'll pick up pieces of equipment, techniques, and also start to see, trends happening between cocktails. The first one is going to be on membership, but you can check it out on our main website. It's all about the whiskey sour. Article number 2, which we released this past Saturday, is all about the old fashioned. So we're up to 2 ingredients so far, or 2 alcoholic ingredients. As you can see, we talk a little bit about the cocktail, the ingredients, what to do, and then the basic information to go with it. So really great set of articles for people who are starting out in mixology in a home setting. Anyway, back to the top. So onto our videos that we've updated this week. End of last year, we did a fantastic webinar about traveling through Champagne. So if you are planning on doing any wine travel, particularly to Champagne, you've got to check this out. Hosted by our very own Jess Helfand, who is our Champagne princess. And basically, we took you on a bit of a road trip along with Emily Lester and Stacey Hunt through Champagne, what to expect, what to check out, and you learn a little bit along the way. It's a really great little webinar, so definitely check that out. And the other one we added this week was a food and wine little documentary about Baden. Now, Baden, of course, is on the very southwest of Germany, a little bit warmer, famous for their Spätburgunder, which you all would know as Pinot Noir. These are really, really fun little documentaries where they taste some wine and they make cuisine that is local to that area. So, if you have not yet got membership, check it out. Just go to our website, click on membership. You can also do a 2-day trial if you want to check it out to get more information. And otherwise, have a fantastic week. Taste or drink some tasty wines, and we'll fill you in again next week. Cheers.